So hello everyone. Welcome back to the another episode of the merging both of the technologies Android and AI in the Codersarts. So let's get started with a new project idea named as Chatbot X, enhancing the customer engagement in e-commerce. So let's move to the introduction part. So introducing the Chatbot X, an intelligent chatbot solution designed to revolutionize the customer interaction within the e-commerce application. Powered by the advanced machine learning and artificial intelligence, Chatbot X offer the personalized assistance, seamless engagement, and efficiency query resolution, enhancing the overall customer experience. So basically, there is a normal chatbot we are going to create by using the artificial intelligence and the machine learning models. So, what is the problem statement in the current chatbot? Traditionally, customer support method in the e-commerce application often face challenges as long as wait times, limited availability, lack of personalization, and without the effective solution, business may be struggle to meet the customer expectation and maintain the high level of satisfaction. So, in this, we are going to provide a new solution. So, Chatbot X addresses these challenges by leveraging the AI-driven chatbot technology to provide the instant and personalized support to the user. So, Chatbot X is basically worked on the AI model, and we are using the NLP as well, natural language processing. And Chatbot X offer the efficient queries resolution, proactive assistance, and data-driven insight to enhance the customer engagement and satisfaction. So, a lot of companies are using the AI chatbot nowadays. So, we are going to create this project for our assignment and other things. So, what are the key features we are going to introduce in this application? First is natural language understanding. Utilize the advanced NLP algorithm to comprehend and interpret the user queries accurately and contextually. So, personalized recommendation, we are going to offer a tailored product recommendation and suggestion based on the user preferences, browsing history, and the purchase behavior. Basically, we are collecting the data of the user which they are using on the Google or any browsing history. So, by using these histories, we are going to suggest the personalized recommendation to them. So, proactive engagement, initiate the conversation with the user based on predefined trigger or user interaction, providing the proactive assistance and guidance. So, and also we are going to provide the query resolution, resolve the customer queries and concern in the real time, offering a relevant information, troubleshooting step, and solution to the common issues. And last but not the least, the data collection and the analysis part. Collect the user data and the feedback to analyze the customer behavior, preferences, and pain point, and enabling the continuous improvement of the and the optimization. So if you want to continue with this chatbot X idea, so we can also continue with that. If you have any other AI and Android projects, so you can just drop a mail on the contact@codersarts.com. So we are always here to help you. So thank you everyone.